On YouTube, guys, my name is Pedro, this is Jesus, this is Eder, and today we're going to teach you how to check for pressure on an AC unit and temperature as well. And for this job, we're going to need gauges right here. It's a 410 unit, so make sure your gauges are 410. It all depends on the unit you're working on. So 410 gauges. Then we're going to use the temperature meter. So to read our suction and low side and high side tubes. And these are filter air unit. But first of all, before we do mess up with this stuff, we want to turn on the thermostat. You know, put it, since we're gonna be doing the for pressure and cold temperature. So we're gonna put it for in a cooling mode. Pause it.
Alright, so right now I'm going to turn on this refrigerator and I'm going to turn it on in cool mode. It's already, I can hear our compressor already click, and slowly it's going to turn on.
So it takes a while to kick in, you know, maybe a couple minutes to cool. So right now, I mean, fan seems to be working properly. All right. Now Eder is gonna teach you how to check for the pressure with the gauges.
All right. Right now, when this turns on, I'm gonna hook up the low side on the suction line, and I'm gonna hook up the high side on the liquid line.
And as you guys hear, it's already turned on, so we're ready to put on our gauges and see what pressures we get.
And as you can see, you want to make sure your gauges are closed, you know, so you don't lose any refrigerant. So you want to do it quick. See that?
Also, it's recommended if you have gauges to have low loss fittings. That way, when you take them off, you guys don't lose as much refrigerant, and it's just better for you.
And Pedro's gonna talk to us about the temperature.
Okay, what is nice about these gauges already? I mean, we usually use a PT chart to check for the pressure and temperature, but these actually are nice gauges. You know, they're like $100 worth gauges. You know, the red right here is our temperature, and the black line is our pressure. So, I mean, right now we're reading 40 degrees, and pressure is like 120 on the low side. And on your high side, I mean, our temperature is reading 89, and our pressure is about 275, so which is pretty good. And now we want to check our make sure our temperature is good on our piping. So Jesus is gonna take over and teach you how to do it.
Alright, so we got our temperature clamps, and inside here, if you guys can see, there's our little sensor, and that's what's going to tell us. The better we get the pipe on here, the better accurate and more of a reading we will get. So we're going to hook this up.
The liquid line.
That's our liquid line.
High side.
High side, and
Gas line.
that's a gas line.
Low side.
So right now I'm getting some readings, and we're about 90 degrees high side and 50 degrees low side temperature.
Everything in our pipes with the heat pump, everything's working good, and it was good. It's going.
Okay, now I mean we checked for our temperature on the piping, and it seems like it's running perfect. I mean it's blowing cold air, you know. So I mean everything's perfect. Our temperature and our pressure, it seems to be running perfect. So I mean this is about how, you know, the basics how to I mean check for pressure and temperature on the AC unit. Thank you for watching. This is Pedro, this is Jesus, and Eder.
Hope you guys enjoyed, and see you around.